Wish I had a net. Yeah, he's on. It's a small one though, but it's gonna feel like a 20-pounder though. Fish on, guys, fish on. About to come out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's pulling drag now. There we go. This is a decent fish. Good fish. I hope. Oh, there he goes.
I'm out.
Yeah, he's out. Right around that wall. There he is. That looked like a drum, didn't it?
That's a 25-pound drum.
Oh, geez.
Big old hard head. Yeah.
Now we gotta figure out how to get them. Wish I had a net. First fish of the day is about a 10-pound drum. Yeah, the drum are probably in there thick. Oh yeah, this one's pretty good. It's high on the wall and so what we're doing, guys, is free lining below Chickamauga Dam, and we have all the generators on, as you can see. Pretty risky fishing we're doing here. Luckily, we have a railing right here that I can use as a support. I've done this method before, guys, free lining right in the holes here, catching lots of catfish, drum, but this is a great way to free line and get some fish. think I got a fish on. I think it's another drum.
That sounds like a little catfish.
Oh, there he comes. We will see. Oh, it's a drum.
It was.
That's a big drum again.
Them old winners.
He's barely hooked, I think. All right, guys. Another freshwater drum. Probably 7 pounds or so. So we're using Threadfin shad, 4 to 6 inches on a 4-aught kahle hook. There you go. Fish on.
See what I mean about it, the size of this tank?
Maybe he let go of it. Hold on a second. Yeah, he's on there, I think. I don't know. This one feels really small.
Here comes an idiot.
Oh, here he comes. It's a drum. I think it was a drum. Yeah. Yep. Man, these drum are thick in here, dude.
Yep.
And this one's probably 5 pounds. There he goes. Looks like the drum are biting today. Now, when I'm hooking this shad, I go through the eye and then back through the tail. And I keep it like this because this will bounce better in the water and with the current that we're fishing. In other words, folding the shad like I did will cut through the water better. Because essentially what we're doing is I am casting right in the second spillway hole here, and my bait is bouncing on top of the water back in that hole where a lot of the fish are. Now you got to have water pulling in, and I let some line out, kind of bounce it a little bit for the bait to get back in there. Now if your line is sitting high on the wall, that's good because that means your bait is on top of the water. Fish on, guys. Yep, fish on. Nice channel cat. We're gonna go ahead and end on this fish. I'm glad we were able to get something different. That's a nice channel. There you go, guys. We're gonna go and call it quits. End on this fish. Release them. And I want to give a special shout out to Gavin, who gave me some Threadfin shad to use as bait when I got here. Thanks a lot, man, for the shad. I appreciate it.
Well,
Caught 4 fish, 3 drum, 1 channel catfish. Not a bad day, but it would have been nice to get more catfish. Sometimes that's just how it is. You'll get all drum and no cats, and then other days you'll get all catfish and no drum. So anyway, as always, guys, give a thumbs up for this video, and we'll see you later.